Alright guys, so here is the springs and weights and helix from the 2018 Turbo S. So you have your helix right here and your spring for the secondary clutch, and you've got your primary spring and your weights for your primary clutch. So we know that the 2017 and 2018 RZRs, the Turbo S and the Turbo from 2017, the car that I have the same primary and secondary clutch. So we're just going to go ahead and swap over these parts, and pretty excited to see how the car drives. I've never driven it with proper clutching for the 32-inch tires. It came set up with 29-inch tires, and I took those off and sold them immediately. Never even drove the car with them on there, so pretty excited to see what it feels like to have weights and springs and everything set up for the proper size tires. And I've heard good things about the Turbo S clutching, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the clutches from the RZR right now, get them cleaned up, take them apart, and let's get that started. Try to keep everything together in the order that it comes off. God, it makes me nervous. Something's gonna break. So this is an EPI clutch compression tool. I forget where I got it. I think I got it off of Amazon. Just a little bit of pressure. I have a bad habit of not talking while I'm filming, but you can kind of pretty much see what I'm doing. Changing out the stock weights right now with the new weights. everything went smoothly. Start to finish took about 2 hours. Got everything cleaned up, put the new springs in, the weights, the helix, put it all back together, and it is ready to go. So I am excited to go out and see what it feels like to have a clutch set up proper for the tire size, because I have not driven it with proper clutching yet as far as we've had this thing. So and it's done great. I have really no complaints, but I'm really curious to see how big a difference it will make to have this set up. So I'll be able to report back on the performance and how it does probably this coming weekend. We'll get the car out and go for a ride. So before you guys go online and buy the parts, let us go out and ride it, and I will report back with the results. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you really soon. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.